Right, so we have here, we're fronting Fort Pilar. So this is the entrance, and then so usually we see the palomas. These are doves here. So if you look at their house, it's there. They stay there. This is the entrance of Fort Pilar. And so they just fly here for free. Right? So they are allowed in these trees here. So actually this is, I think, an heritage site in Zamboanga City. So you cannot take away the trees here because the palomas are here to stay. Normally, so we will be feeding them, right? So, alright. So look at, so see, so they fly. Okay, so they're coming to me. See, then if you make gesture like that, if you will not release the food, they will fly. So this is stress relieving. So those who are sick and sick in mind, body, and spirit, you just have to come here and then feed the birds. Then all your worries will be gone. Okay, so maybe we'll add more. So this is where we buy. Manang ano pa?
Sige,
Ano pa kaya sa kilo?
kain tayo.
Salamat to. Alright. So one more. See. So if you will signal, if you give the signal, they will fly. Because when you move your hand, that means to say you're feeding them. But I think some of them are wise. They don't jump. Okay, as I was saying, those who are sick and worried about a lot of things, sometimes you just have to go out and then feed the birds. Feed the birds, then forget about your problems. And all your worries will be gone. Then later on, we'll be praying to Our Lady. Okay, so maybe one more. So one more. Alright, so right. So this is the beauty of feeding. You can see them. Right? So, yeah. Okay. So see? So I think, just seeing the birds flying, approaching you, it's therapeutic, right? So come here and feed the birds and then forget about your worries, right? So part 3 of this will be praying for our sick friends at Port Pilar, right? So see you later. Bye.